Hi, this is Jennifer from Positively Learning and Special Educators Resource Room. This is a quick video tutorial on how to use Google Keep with the headers for special education. So I'm going to move to Google Keep. I'm using my laptop, but you can also do this on your phone. I'm going to go to Google Apps and scroll down till I see Keep, which is the light bulb. Now, you're not going to see any notes on here today because I usually use Google Keep on my phone, and that syncs to my personal account, and this one is my business. So I'm going to go ahead and start a new note from start to finish so you can see how I use this to stay organized. So on Take a Note, I'm just going to click right there, and it's automatically going to open the note and highlight the notes section. So this is really fast if you're on the go and just need to jot something down. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the title and type in my first one, IEP Meetings Due Dates. And then it's going to highlight underneath. I like to use the more and scroll down to show checkboxes. So underneath here, I may put student initials, and so on. Now, it is really easy to just add a link. So say that I have an IEP snapshot or reports or something else for the student, I can just go ahead and link it right next to this child's name. Now, I don't have a Google Drive link ready today, so I'm just going to go ahead and put in my website to show you how it automatically highlights it, and you can open the link. It will also put the link right down there, which is really handy. If I open the link, it'll just go straight from there. Now, before I close this out, oops, I'm going to go ahead and change the color. Now, it is nice to change the color, but it really isn't just for vanity. It really helps make it easier to find, especially when you have multiple notes. So I'm going to start a new note, go ahead and click on it. And this one, I'm going to put in my caseload roster. Now, underneath, in the notes section, I can just go ahead and put in my roster. Yes, I would have to copy and paste it, which will take some time, but it would be also so easy to have it all right there for me. Or I can go ahead and just link it to a Google Doc and have it ready. And there it is. And so I'm going to make this one mint green, and so on. All right, so next thing I want to show you is how to add in the Google image headers. So I'm going to go back to the IEP meetings. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now it automatically has me in the notes section, so I'm just going to highlight up here at the title. Down here I see a picture where it says add image, and I'm going to go into my images that I've already downloaded and have ready for me. And I'm going to go ahead and add the matching corresponding image for IEP meetings. And that just makes it a little bit nicer to look at, a little bit easier to access. I'm going to do the same thing for Caseload. I'm going to go ahead and click on it to open it. And I'm going to make sure I'm on the title, and I'm going to add in the image. And there it is. Now, I don't like that mint green so much anymore with that image, so I'm just going to switch it to blue. A little bit better. All right, now say that I am done with one of the notes. Very easy. I can just delete it. Or if I'm using the checklist, say for a to-do list, or this student SA already had the meeting, I can just go ahead and click on the checkbox, and that will cross it off and move it to the bottom of the list. And I can do that on my phone as well. So that is how you add the headers. Now, here are all the headers that are included. There are 50 of them. They are in alphabetical order. So you're going to see different special education specific, also organization, like months, days, to-do lists, and so on. So there are 50 headers. You definitely don't need to use them all, but they are there if you're interested. And that is it. Super easy and a great way to stay organized. All right, thanks for watching.